Emergency! Nakalak na naman. Oh, wait. Mga... Ay! Ayop ka, Jimmy! Ay! Hindi. Ah! Munting yung lang backstory. Kaya ako na napag-stream kasi naglilipat ako ng bahay. May mga personal akong ginawa na hindi ako makapag-stream freely. So ngayon mas nakasetup na tayo. Mag-stream na tayo ulit. Sana sa yung let's go! G! Kasi spam to G, O, lahat. Gusto ko hype din kayo. Yan! Yan ang gusto ko nakikita.
Anong gen?
Hayop ka. New game. Pakala ko naghang. What? See you days before the crash. Pucha, parang ano. Oh, emergency! It's locked. Parang ito yung first time ko Di ko lang anong pipindutin ko sa kanya. Di ko mahanapan dapat pindutin. So, pwede. Utility. Baka may pwede akong gamitin dito. Ito, pokpok mo sa ulo mo to. Susi! Take emergency. Siyempre, matik na. Yan, magaling. Ang galing mo, Jean. Kulang ang susi. Baka pwede kong... Ayun, taba! Kaya naman pala bobo ko.
Pagod ako.
May balakad si Day na
Same,
$2
same.
sa super chat.
Use emergency key. Ay, pindutin. Disengage autopilot. Crash imminent. Ayun, labas. Okay, ang daming daan. First time sa hallway. Buksan. Holy shit, giddy up galaxy. Para ayoko dyan Oh my God! Ano gagawin ko dyan? Tambay cup? Gusto ko yan! Ayaw mo ko bigyan ng tambay cup. Mahal kasi. Sabi ko na nga, abi. Yung umiiyak na bata. Okay, nagdadabog. Huwag kang magdadabog. Okay, so parang ano lang. Parang PT. Ay! Ayoko nga ng tambay cup mo! Okay, nagiging intense. Block. Emergency! Ulubog na po ang barko. Nakalak na naman. Wait, salbi ko na nga ba? Ayoko nga. Ilang pang tambay cup yan? Hindi. Ayoko. Meron na ako. Jimmy, grabe salamat. James, anyone else would do the same thing. Tayo na yung shot. When touching the damn cargo, the hole is locked. Down for a reason. The only thing worse than dying slowly is not getting paid. But it could be something useful, I think. Could be what? Hopes, dreams, and marzipan. You don't have to. If it helps us survive, it's worth it. Man, Pony Express bosses really aren't chill at all, huh? Daisuke? May hapon dito. Come on, a quick look won't hurt. How exactly is group therapy committee planning on getting in there? Di pa rin gumagal. Okay, right here, boss. You're looking at ayusin ko saglit lang. You're at the ministry of the regional junior baseball team. Straight up nearly corked the kicked ones. I can't take the utility axe and... You were goddamn right. Fully corked. That's enough, Swansea. There has to be an in case of emergency way inside. If I remember correctly from the safety protocols. And only the captain has the scanner. Of course, go ahead and ask him all about it then. Maybe he'll sing ya the blues too. We don't see him find out the scanner. Get the code up in the hold. For better or worse, I'm captain. Look at me. I'm the captain now. I'll fix... Acquire code scanner. Kakasabi ko lang matigil na tayo ba? Cockpit. Bastos. Cargo. Damn, son. Ito ang peak physique. Idiot. Oh my God. Okay, dito tayo. Cockpit. May ilaw. Ayun. Ay, naku, malalaman ko kung... mga lagano dyan, mga natalo ha. Alam ko na. Pag ito umilaw, alam ko na kung saan kayo nagkalat. So, saan ko ito gagamitin para hanapin ang Shamud? Meron na akong access codes. Nawala si Swansea. Putang ina mo naman, Swansea. Para kang tanga eh. Medical. Nurse! Masakit yung puwet ko, nurse. Nurse! Ito yung nasa intro. Boy, okay ka lang dyan. Dahan-dahan lang eh. Wala, sobrahan niya tuloy. Unti na lang, 10 araw na lang, tapos na Nobyembre, wala ba yan, men? Sinabihan na kita. So, take the painkillers. Ako pa kukuha ng painkiller para ibigay sa kanya. Ano silbi mo, nurse? Ay, masakit chan mo. Bibigay ko ba sa kanya? Ang baho na hininga mo. Ako, hindi ko gagamitin yung painkiller. Ito na. Wait lang ha. Andali ha. Ito, napapasok ko lang. You know what they say. Pain is how we know we're still living. Oh! Oh, yung bars. Ayun na nga. Ayun na, nasa mid. Nasa mid. Ay, nakatingin. Paano kung nakatingin lang siya sa akin habang nilalagay ko gano'n na? Ganun lang. Okay ka na? Sakit pa? Sino dinadasalan mo dyan? Ay, scanner. Labas lagi ang scanner para hanapin na yung dumi. Yo! Ito na mga tropa peeps! Nice, man. Captain. Oh! Nakita ko na yung sabod nyo! 4517! 4517. Boom! Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Buksan mo na nasa dede. Nasa dede mo. Trabaho na naman. Kala ko nag-crash. Pauron para Netflix pa na to eh. Talk to Jimmy in Swansea. Ako si Kerly. Hinahanap ko si Swansea at si Jimmy. Yes, sarap na makakita ng naayos yung ship. Si Jimmy, okay. Mas gusto ko si Anne eh. Ito si Jimmy. Daisuke kun. Well, I can see the issue. The kid was brought on just to make me suffer. I was just trying to fix the vent. Nalaglag siya. Those are a hazard in itself, especially with Daisuke around. Axe. May code na naman. Wala ako. Meron pa din. 2609. 2609. Okay, may matutuli. Take axe. Siyempre, sino ba naman ikukuha na axe, boy? Alam ko na, tatanggalin natin yung binti niya. Okay. Sorry, kala ko talaga maputulin yung binti niya. Kung tanga ka, dagdag pa ako ng gagawin. Kung tumabi ka dyan, boy. Hello? Pag ako biglang hinawakan ito. Jimmy? Hindi ako nakikipagbiruan, Jimmy. Oh no. Nalak ako? Ano to? What? Nasaan ako? Wow. Whoa! Interstellar! Oh. Okay. Hindi na ako makagalaw ng mouse. Pero siyang isang direksyon na gusto niya ipunta ako. Dami nagsasalita. The sun! Kalbo! Tao po. Gusto na ba, Jimmy? Galing lang naman ako sa mag-damage show. Walang problema. Anong gagawin natin? Mukha mo okay lang? Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Totoo nga lang, share ko lang din. Kaya ako rin din na start mag-live kasi parang masyado na ako komportable sa paggawa ng videos lang. Parang sa akin nahihirapan ako mag-live eh. Nakakapagod siya para sa akin, hindi siya normal eh. Extra effort sa akin to eh. Okay, so ano ba, men? Empty. Ito na ako pag nasa pure gold eh. Nakatika sa taas bago ko mabagsakan sa ulo. Yes. Nasaan nga ba yung ketchup, kuya? Kunin ko lang. Nanonood pa ba sa TV? Steady profit. Only this work is secure. Ito yung nurse. Okay. Mas maliit utak ng mga influencer. Spooky Spooktober. Dragon Bread presents. Sila ba yung gumawa? Yung mouthwash. Shiny new dental hygiene product. Brand new formula designed to kill bacteria and kill germs while leaving a bad taste. Dragon Breath, all day fire fresh. Naman pangalan to, Dragon Breath. To Skyrim yung Akala ko lagi naghahang yung PC ko. 2 months after. Okay. Ito na yung 2 months na to. Mouthwash? Fucking believable. There's gotta be an ocean of the stuff in here. This room looks freaking end. Dapat Japanese si Daisuke. What are you doing? Stop that. Stop this right now. Ang dami naman timeline. Nalilito na ako. So, before the crash. Okay. Break the news. Ano yung news? Ano yung news? Surprise! Surprise! Look at your face! Hey, gotcha! Cheers! you were next on the list. So congratulations. Hate to say it though, your duties have to extend to even your own birthday party. You're the only one with clearance to make the cake. The recipe is there by the machine. Ako pa ang gagawa. Yeah, kaya ako pala pinasabog yung sarili ko. Bake a cake. Sabi gawa ng cake? Laking Greek. Take water packet. Bulag baho. Ano to? Okay. Tonic. Ano to? Restricted sweetener. 2, 3, 4, 1. Baka doon? Ah, ito pala may mix. My God. Okay. Baka ito? 2, 3, 4, 1. What the hell, man? Ano yan? Okay. Sweetener. So, apat tapos na to, di ba? Yep. What? Naglalag? Wait lang. Dali nga. Baka may nag-YouTube dito. Sadali. Kung alam ko na ang salarin. May nag-YouTube. Sabi ko na may nanonood ng bastos eh. PC po, huwag mo na kayo mag-YouTube dyan. Ano ba naman dyan? Oh? Nag-aayos ako dito. Papakita ko yung skills ko eh. Okay na. So, anong nangyari? Nag-aro ako ng gelatin. Kailangan ko ng tubig. Kunin natin yung cake. Silalagay natin yung cake dito. Tapos dito yung sweetener. Okay. Yay! Cake na! Wow! Happy birthday to you! Eh, hey! Happy... Ay, Geb. Tangina, nakaupo na kayo lahat. Di nyo man ako tinulungan. Hype kayo. Sana malaglag ko to. Happy birthday! You gotta make a speech. Can't argue with that. That's all it said on the report. Sinabi niya sa management. You received the paycheck for this delivery. I don't know any more than that. Bonus is finally kicking the bucket. So magsasara na. So I guess you got what you wanted. Without the guilt. Ooh! Anya never got into medical school because she's, well, let's be real. And how many employment years Wesley got left in him? Lahat yung rush talk niya. May mommy and daddy si Daisuke. So there's that at least. But you... headed for bigger and better, right? I'm just working on my life being a place I don't have to fucking escape. Nothing more. We're the ones you're trying to escape from. Abandon the crew, but remain the model captain. Unbelievable. What am I supposed to do? Sarap kumain ng cake ng ganito, oh. Kusaksakin kita ng kutsilyo, ha? Oh, sino una kong papatayin? Hindi yung cake? Sino unang mamamatay? Ito ba o ito? Ikaw! Ay, hindi. Okay. Kailangan mo lumipat sa knife, sorry. Yeah! Ano ba ito? Ito na! Unti na lang! Lumabas na! 3 months after the crash. So, paano na-stuck kami dito? Check on Curly. Tingnan natin. Curly! Ay, hindi pala si Curly yan. Okay ka lang, boy? Okay ka lang? Nanaginip ka ba? Yung makamot sa itlog mo? Tulungan kita. I don't know if he's been given his medicine yet. Fine, Anya. Ako na magbigay. Once he deserves, we'll have nothing to keep him quiet. Pati na lang ako magbigay. Akala ko pa hanapin si Anya. Ilalagay ko lang sa bibig niya. Anya? Si Anya. Yun. Wow. Anong plano mo dyan, boy? Papatay na ba namin siya?
May Galato CBG 10 na 50 pesos sa super chat.
Oh, it's you, Jimmy! Not able to sleep either! It's nighttime! Why are you talking this late? Anya, are you crying? No, don't worry, I'm okay. We all need to keep it together. Oh, I'm keeping it together. Don't you worry, Captain. Did you give him his meds before, Anya? No, must have slipped my mind. I'll do it. No, really, I'm perfectly okay. I said I'll do it. Give Curly pink. Ginawa ko na dati yun eh. Oh shit. Mapatay ba namin si Curly? Pwede na siya maghirap. So, pumunta lang ako dito para humingi ng permis sa kanya. So, yung gusto ko sanang gawin ko lang ulit. Okay. Curly! Ako na bahala sa'yo dito, boy! Sabi ko sa'yo, magpapakain sa'yo ka magalala. Hindi ako nagugas ng kamay. Hindi ka rito. Pasok natin to. Come on, stop with the noise. Damn it. I know what everyone's thinking. The way they look at me. What could I even say? Open up. I hope this make you feel fucking better. Mouthwashing natin nilalaro. Ayari. Ginulpi ko ba siya? Di mo lulunokin yan? Di ba pag nilunok mo, mahal mo? Kumalma na siya. Di na masakit. Scan natin, Curly. Okay ka lang? Sakit pa ba yung mata mo? Nakikita ko sa mata mo, hindi naman nasasaktan sa mata UV rays eh. Okay lang? Oh! Pero kapili ko lagi nagka-crush yung PC ko eh. Ano to? Ako yan ah. Happy birthday. We should have some. Why? It's mediocre at best, obviously. Sometimes you can only get the subpar stuff. Why bother? Hey, we all tried to escape. It didn't work for any of us. Fall in love, but other times, I'll just have some awful fucking cake with my friend. Right now, that sounds pretty brilliant, yeah? So if you'll do the honors, right? Well, let me go find a knife. Find a knife. Parang tutuli lang itong lugar. Nasa ng kutsilyo, kalbo? Nasa na? Hello? Kuha lang ng flashlight. Pag si Curly tumayo doon, tas ginago ako ha. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Wait. Yo, nilaw. Baka may pinatay si ano. Kaya ako si Jimmy. Baka ako si... Take-axe. Feast. Okay. Itong gagamitin ko. Kasi yung knife. Curly! Ako ata papatay talaga kay Curly. Curly! Eh, ikaw ba ang cake ko, Curly? Oh my God. Puputulin ko ba siya? Okay, trigger warning. Tutulian kita, Curly! Okay, wala pa pala. Bakit? So yun yung nangyari na baliw na si Jimmy sa inis niya kay Curly. Check on the crew. Okay, baka addict na siya. Daisuke! How many have you had? Those will kill you before anything else, I know. She said, tamad daw ako. Tambay daw ako ng cap. I don't know. I just never knew what I wanted to be. Dapat may pagka-Japanese eh. Total screw up. I just hope she doesn't blame herself. It's your racist. Please just take it. I don't want to look at this stuff anymore. Normal ka. Wala ka nang silbi sa magulang mo. Nagpapakalasing ka ba? Hindi ka naman talaga tanga, no? Ang baho na yun mo. Gusto mo nito? Ay. Oh! Hey! Sige! Swansea! Let's go! Hey! 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 Natatakot ako parang... There's the big man himself. Jimbo! Oh! Listen. This is the best part. Ewe-oh! You're a mess, Swansea. It'll be all the sad motherfuckers will fall apart in the sky with diamonds. Okay, lasing na siya. Yung mouthwash niya. Tagay! Tagay! Ay ka lang, yeah boy. Ayoko. Hindi pagkain? Find Swansea's employee card. Hindi ko siya ma-pick up. Pamumumugin ba natin si Curly ng mouthwash? Curly, ang baho to na hininga mo eh. Mukha kasing malaking tubol. Oh. Buksan natin. Eto na Curly, ang baho na hininga mo. Gamitin mo to. Hindi pwede. Wait, nakausapin ko si Rhea Bubs. Anya. You thinking about drinking that too?
Honestly, yeah. It'd probably just make me feel sick. Did you know that not all of the medicine aboard was in my office? We stored some in a storage locker in the hallway.
Why haven't you brought this up earlier?
It was foamed up. I didn't think it was possible to reach it. I think the medicine depot locker isn't too far into the mass of it, so we could try to break it down. Break it down.
One strike too many on a weak spot. We'll all get sucked into space.
I think it's worth the risk.
Riz? If nothing else, it's an excuse to get Swansea to hand over the act. Break the phone. Mickey Mouse. Pasensya lang kung yun lang yung pinakamataas na kaya ko ha. Kasalanan ko ba bumagsak na yung itlog ko at lumalim boses ko. Okay, so gagamitin natin yung axe. So iti-trade ko ba sa kanya? Jimbo, El Capitano, the man with the plan. You done? I need that. This whole thing, this was instructed to me by a previous tragically inclined leader. Big responsibility. I'm going to try and get some more painkillers. Do something useful, you know? I heard all about it. You're looking to pull the plug on this party early. I'm trying to save us. Akala ko, di gaganon pa niya. Okay, kailangan cool ka eh. Sinira mo pa yung TV, Swansea. Hangal ka. Tapos ka na magdrama. Thank you. Take axe. Ipokpok sa ulo mo to. Sirain natin yung phone. Dami mo na natupag dyan ah. Hey, masipag. Mouthwash. Napaka-bonjing. Okay, dapat pala dito. Dito ako sa gilid. Isopropyl, painkiller. Ano next? Ay! Mga babae talaga!
Oh wow, Jim, you did it! Amazing, really.
Sure.
I hate to ask you again, but could you give Curly his painkillers? It's just makes me so nauseous.
Nagulat na nga ako't lahat. Ako pa gagawa. Look, I've entertained your sentimentality up until now. But I'm trying to actually fix things, Anya. Oh, take responsibility. Di ko siya nabuntis. Ba't ako mag-responsibilidad? I'm getting us through this. Find the code scanner. Huh? I did. Dinaanon ko to lahat okay. Yung mga ginawa natin kanina. And best of all, give Curly his fucking medicine. But I'm bearing it. I have to. Because the captain has to take fucking responsibility for this goddamn shit. Parang sa Evangelion, yung lumalabas yun.
I didn't mean to.
Go make sure Daisuke doesn't choke on his own vomit.
No, I can.
I'll take your fare, Anya. I always do. Ano naman, may nagtatelepag sa tabi ko para mga gago nakanganga ka na. Miss mo na, Miss mo na yung bulate. Miss mo na yung sagi. Sabi kasi ayoko na may ngipin Gago, paano pag binigay ko alcohol? May mga options no? I don't think I understood the pressure you were under before. Fuck, and you tried to tell me you were a good Captain Curly. And you will be one again. I'll get us both through this. Ayoko mamatay si Curly tuloy. Kahit kamukha niya si Suezo. 6 hours until judgment? May judgment. Jimmy! Get the fuck out of here! Ako yung nanggago. Si Jimmy talaga Sorry, Swansea. May kilala kong gawin, Swansea. My hands won't stop shaking. Nakajabol mo. Take rope. Oh shit, mag-a-analyze ba ako, boy? Iipit ka ba dito? Rope. I could use this. Use rope. Ayan. Okay. Tapos. Ano tong puti na yan? Shamud? Nagkalat kayo lahat, kaya di ko makita. Kasing pipe yan. Mukha naman siyang parte lang. Pukpuk ko sa ulo ko I'm gonna chop into 20 fucking pieces. Meron akong metal pipe. Bonk! Shit, di ko nakita yung bonk. 2 days before the crash. Okay, so yung ginawa nila, balik-balik kami. You doing okay?
Yeah, I can't sleep.
I know how that is. I just toss and turn.
I actually kinda like the nighttime we lose screen. So I just come look at it sometimes. If I look really, really close, you can see there's a dead pixel on the upper right corner.
Son? Nope. Don't see it. I don't think it ruins the illusion though. It's peaceful. But maybe I'm just used to looking at the bigger picture.
How many days of transport do we have left?
Around 2, 3, 7 days.
8 months. Hey, why do you take Pony Express but look at the medical room door? But not in the sleeping quarters.
Anya, malibog kang kupal ka. Sorry kay ano nga pala. Kay Curly nga pala siya. Kay Curly nga. Feeling ko kay Curly yung trip nga pala niya. Napagpapalit ko si Jimmy. I suppose for the same reason they put a lock on the cockpit. Safety. Ako, hindi ako nag-condom. Hirap yan. Hello? Jimmy! Help this! Kaya mo na yan. Ito, alcohol. Lagukin mo. Jimmy, it's a total emergency. Anya is stuck in medical. The door won't open. What if she runs out of something? Let's go have a look. At hindi mo ako sasamahan. Sige. Naka-ready lang siya doon. Naka-ganon. Dito ka na pala. Dito ka na pala. Curly. Jimmy. Anya, I brought Jimmy. We're here to rescue you. Don't panic. Hey, heard your lock's broken. Hey, Anya. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear Jimmy.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan, Anya? And you're just laying around. How heavy is the medkit?
No.
Huh? What do you mean? Look, we're all stressed. But you can't go breaking down at every little hardship. yung mga OA mong tropa. Maliit na inconvenience. Open the damn door.
You were right all along. I should have done this from the beginning.
Anya, hangal ka.
You think I wanted this either? Make no mistake. This isn't my worst moment. It's the best decision I'll ever make.
Open the door, Anya.
I'll take care of it.
Curly, He's still in there. Naku, papatay si Curly. Ang kanyang pinakamamahal. Daisuke, you and Swansea know the internals of the ship better than anyone. There's absolutely no other way to a medical. Swansea said it was strictly off limits. Above all else, wala akong pakialam the utility room. Hindi na ano niya. Okay, tara. You listening, Anya? Wag mo sabihin. May plano nga tayo. Tanga ka rin, Jimmy. Go to the utility. Let's go. Di mo ako sasama? Okay, so, okay, magte-teleport ka na lang. Sige. Ay, gago, sumusunod siya. Sumusunod ba siya? Ay, ang galing. Bawas animation. Ganito yung mga horror eh, ganyan, lumapit. Okay, ito tayo sa utility. Dito ka na. Yeah, boy. Excuse me po. Locked. Swansea, tayo na mukha na siyang edit. Sabi naman yung leg niya. Swansea, we need your help. I need you said utility was danger, but you know, I'm not letting you in there. Off limits. Look, if there's any possibility, Jimbo, letting you scratch at the foam wall would be useless. You'd only tear this goddamn shit when you asshole. But Swansea, this could be really bad. Just hear us out. We're God's had big favor this here planet, I reckon. Means we get to name it. Let's just go, Daisuke. Let's all point with your blessing na to. Hey, Trinel! Idol. 8 hours until judgment. Okay, nagtatay na si Daisuke sa sarili niyang kama. Don't do anything! Stop! I can fix this! Why do you keep fucking saying that? But yung ginagawa mo dyan? Are you hearing yourself? I'm sorry. You still have disinfectant, right? Get it now. The cocktail. You. The cocktail. What are you blabbering about? That is your fault. You will have never. I had no choice. You. Useless, you goddamn fucking idiot. There has to be something else. Find disinfectant. Infected. Ba't siya infected? Anong ginawa mo? Di ka naliligo. Tanga ka, pag-iisipin mo pa ako. Disinfectant. Wala lahat. Sino kumuha? What? What the hell, man? Sino nag-drugs dito? Ba't di ko ito makakita, boy? Ano to? Di kaya ng aking graphics card. Ano yan? Ano yan? Inisip mo dyan, ha? Ganda ng batok. So, hawakan yung batok niya. I'm already looking in here. God damn it. Parang ito yung pa nag-delete ka ng 0. Pag dinivide mo yung 0, ito mangyayari. Ito kala ko ng ilaw. Okay. Ayun, may silbi na to. Ba't nawala yung music? Check corners. Ba't nawala yung music? Ay, bukas na. Paano kung ano lang kami, no? Nagbebenta lang kami sa mga alien. Okay, ayoko dun. What the fuck? Ano kung ginagamit lang kami ng mga alien para pakainin sila? Oh, di ako makakaalis. Na-evangelion ako. Okay, so wala akong choice. Domain expansion! Domain expansion ng responsibilidad. Okay. Baba na ta. May regla. Nandito si Anya. May regla eh. Bruh. May naglalakad sa likod ko. Ay, sabi ko may naglalakad sa likod ko kanina. Kinilabutan ako. Oh. Okay. Bukat. Okay, nasa Hogwarts sa palata. Saan ako dadaan? Kupal. Okay, lakad lang. Oh. Ay, yung tinatawag siyang kupal. A blind beast, aimless and restless, you can't run from it. Okay. So, ang gagawin ko, lilipad. Gago, naririnig ko siya. Ano yun? Nasa baba? Bruh. Ay, wait lang. Di dapat ako tumakbo. Okay, baka ganito. Baka lakad lang. Baka dapat literalin natin. Ano to? Laser? Parang bulbul. Ayoko na, hindi na nga. Kalma. Ay, ito pala yung monster. Puta kabayo. Parang alien na. Alien nga. Tama nga yung ula ko. The fuck, kamukha niya yung kabayo sa ano. Sa Disney. Titignan nga, mukha nga rin sa kabayo. Yung tunog niya parang kabayo na yun. So, nasa harap ko siya gago. Bruh. Oh! Gusto ko lang naman bilisan eh. Sorry na. Pagka ganito lang, hindi siya tumutunog. Ito mo. Oh, glitch. Yun, regla sa wakas. Tagal ko na hinaharap yung regla para i-overthink malala. Yan na siya, paniraregla. Yan na siya, paniraregla. Sorry po. Mga babae, pag ganyan, alam mo na. Bulbol na naman. Huwag na sa tabi ko lang. Oh shit. Sorry na. Handaan nyo na yung french fries tsaka ice cream niya. Tapos na. Nawala na regla. Regla! Santo ba niya to? Ayop ka. Mouthwash? Bakit? Ano connect tong mouthwash? Sa isang alien na kabayo. Isang god alien kabayo. Ay. Bibigyan ko siya. Okay. I'm sorry. I messed up. Don't try to talk. Huwag ka nang magsalitang hayop ka. Pinagdaanan ko, isang cosmic kabayo. Leche. Okay. 5 months after the crash. Okay, so okay pa siya. Utility connects to the medical, but you heard what they said going there now. It's too unstable. Trying to break the phone could reach the air seal. I just don't want to fuck up again like I did before. You and me, Daisuke. You can save Curly. Swansea won't help, so we'll figure it out, bro, ourselves. Right. Yeah, we got this. But even before the phone, how do we even get the door to utility open? Swansea's been practically camping in front of the door and he has the key. I have an idea. We need to knock him out. What? You're gonna fight him? No. Even he has to have his limits when it comes to booze. We make him lalasingin namin si Tito. Siyempre galing kay Neko chan, di na ako nagulat There's an recipe for mocktail in the kitchen. We can follow the steps but use different ingredients to add kick to it. Sundan mo ulit ako in Slenderman fashion. Ito mo. Nakakatawa to tayo. Ito mo. Ito si Daisuke. Ay, yeah. Tara, tagay! Let's go! Di ba gusto mo isa? Isang beer lang, isang case. This kind of feels like a heist movie. Okay. Ano pag sinara ko? Sige nga. Tasa ka na, Daisuke. Sige nga. Daisuke. Ayun siya. Okay. So, paano gumana anak? Oh, papalitan natin. Mouthwash siya kay isopropyl. Salagyan ng sweetener. Gago. Bruh. Alam mo naman, nakalabas pa yung bayag mo. Mouthwash. Ay, tama ba yung kita ko? Isopropyl? Di ba nakamamatay ito? Gago. Okay. Mix. Kailangan tubig Okay. Tapos, kailangan natin ng sweetener. Pero, sweetener, Daisuke, magkasilbi ka! Ay, saan mo nilagay? Could take a look. Okay. Wala kang silbi. Ang dami mo sinabi pero wala lumabas na importante sa bibig mo. Ang saya. Wala, hindi ko nakita si girly. Ayun. Bakit ka may sweetener sa ano mo? Sa bag, sa tabi mo, ano yun? Niyayakap mo? Yeah, boy. Lasingin si Tito, baliktad na. Good item. Spike. No, top. Okay, teleport. Tara, tagay kay Tito, let's go. Kahit nga beer, pwede na dyan eh. Nasaan na si Swansea? Bibigyan ng iced tea, pero pang onting asukal. Hey, tumatabi ka na. Bigyan ng iced tea. The fuck is that?
Look, we need to keep working together. If this is how I can get us through this without us being at each other's necks all the time, then yeah, give it here. Mga tito ka madali kausap yan. We gotta freestyle the recipe. Yeah, I can tell you how to handle this monstrosity, kid. You ain't no mixologist. Sure as hell ain't no mechanic either. You never should have come here. Who the fuck even decided to let you board, huh? Stick the idiot with a bunch of sad suck adults and see what he learns, eh? Older, uglier, meaner. Smarter in a worse way. Wala me doesn't suit you, Swansea. Saya sad ka na agad, di ka pa umiinom. Inom ka muna para sumaya ka. Maybe never go to hell, but always be on our way. Oh, puta patay. Sabi ko na sobra yun eh. Nox na daw, okay. Pasok tayo. Puta, ang cute naman ng ano niya. Duck. Hoy, may nakalagay. Ito, may nakalagay sa ko basahin yun. May nakasulat oh. Captain, I'm sure you about this. Maybe we could talk with Sachi when he's cleared up a bit later. He thought me. It's time to be brave, Daisuke. Curly and Anya are counting on us. Wait. Whoa, it's like barely falling at all. It's those things I've never been inside one. What are they called again? Crystasis pod. Oh, it looks like this one still works. How long can this taste even keep you frozen? 20 fucking years. I can't believe Swansea managed to clear all the foam from here.
Gusto niyang solohin.
He didn't. What? Think about it. Swansea never let you work with him on breaking the utility room foam wall, right? He said I have way too much athletic strength in my arms. I would just torn through the foam. I was like, damn, makes total sense. Bummer. Nauto ka pang tanga ka. Nice. Right, of course, I never told you you'd gotten in here. Nope. But look how busy it must have been. There was never any foam. There was never any foam here. And Swansea has known the whole damn time. That boozed up bastard has been biding his time till he can save himself. Sabi ko sa'yo para sa kanya. We're getting the part really. Not by lying through my teeth while waiting for everyone else to die. No man, they just can't be right. I'm sure there's a reason. We'll ask him about it when he wakes up. Deal with him right after. Right now we have a job to finish. And the bed looks like this is One Piece.
Oh, One Piece!
Hey, imagine how giant it looks like on the side. It could be somewhat collapsed in places. We could make it through. We need to try it. Mamamatay si Daisuke. Swansea said he's not sick. I know he forgot to tell us about the pot, but he knows like everything about this kind of stuff. Maybe we just wait for him to back up. You said you could handle it. Swansea taught you well, right? Time to prove it. He'll be impressed when he wakes up, proud. He understands why he had to do this, then he can explain it. You think so? Daisuke, everyone's counting on you. Captain's orders. Yeah, I got this. Mamamatay talaga siya. Okay, here we go. Handa nang mamatay si Daisuke, mamamatay Daisuke, maraming salamat sa lahat. Anya? What did you... Putang ina naman. Kung naman ano nangyari dito sa kamang to. Find the gut. Oh lord. Anxiety? Yay! Aray ko, sorry. Ang favorite emotion! Ay, may pa-zoom in pala ako. Hanapin ko yung baril. Saan nakalagay? Oh!
Polly says, teamwork makes the dream work. Yay!
Teamwork makes the dream work. Code scanner. Ano ba to? Akin to, di ba? Okay, sabi mo eh. Baka yung baril na dun sa closet namin sa cockpit. Hindi ko pwedeng... Uy! Gago ni Jacob! Sino niluluharan ako na wala ako, ha? Sino niluluharan mo, ha? Okay ka lang, girl. For fuck's sake! Where is it? Us being let go is the reason to hurt yourself. Si Anya. Bruh. Ano pa yung buong team dahil sa kanya. Anya, as our nurse, you never got psych evals. I should have thought of that. You could have come to me for feeling stressed, pero ibang come kasi ang gusto mo. What would you have done? Anything. 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 You, the crew, are over. Daddy siya. I told you so over and over, yeah?
I'm not going to hurt myself. You know the gun is in a safety case I can't open.
Tell me where it is. None of this has to be on our performance log. We'll figure it out together.
Ibang foam ang pumasok kay Anya. Hayop ka, Curly. Kaya pala meron tayong foam.
You're what?
Hell na! Oh shit! Alis na tayo, boy! Buntis. Who would you?
Captain, I told you.
Listen to me. We can fix this. Alam mo yung metal rod kanina? Itusok mo na.
Ay! Si Jimmy! Kala ko kay Curly siya!
I know you never give me the gun to protect myself. But the least I can do is make sure he never gets it either.
Bruh, naboy best friend pa tayo. Huwag kayong magpuputok sa baliw, ha? Tandaan niyo yan, delikado yan, ha?
Pinilit ni Jimmy. The bleeding won't stop. Just try to stay still, Dice. I need a second to think you can fix this. Hey kid, you hear me?
Sino pumatay sa kanya?
Oh shit.
Hey, stop! Don't move!
It's alright, Dice. Calm down. This line of work, you could never become like miserable Swansea. What a tragedy. Decades of hauling ass for Pony Express, big mighty bruiser with all his shiny tool, and an A student, career workhorse, or force of ambition. There's a damn good kid trying his best.
Hindi mo naman kasalanan kung bobo ka eh. Alam mo yun? Mamang sa natin kusubok ka. Man, ayoko ng feelings, man. Close your eyes, Daisuke. Naku, magano magsesipuko si Daisuke nang hindi siya. Naku, hindi! Swansea, wag! Swansea! Nakakaasar na merong silang layers. Spam F. Spam F para kay Daisuke. Bakit mo naman nilagay sa mukha, hindi sa leeg?
I could have. I can fix him.
And yung pag nakakita yung mga babae ng mga red flag nila, like,
I can fix him. Why can't any of you just give me some time to fucking think? Alam mo ba? How do you still not understand? It's over. End of the fucking line. He won't suffer one more second because of her delusions.
Unbelievable. Stop pretending I know all about your plan, Swansea. I went to utility. Ooh, naglabas na ng baho. I saw what you've been hiding down here. You're making sure you're the one who gets inside that cryopod. Iyak talaga tayo. Cryopod talaga. Ha!
I sure did talk to Anya, but it was her telling me all sorts of things instead, wasn't it?
Shouldn't the captain go down with his ship? That matters anymore. But di ba sa lahat ba yun?
I ain't got no place to be. I got everything I could ever want right here on this ship. So go ahead and get in that pod. If you ever get found, you can tell them whatever fucking story you like. You've earned it. Get the gun.
Nasaan yung gun?
Where's the gun? Where's the goddamn...
Wait, nasa parang lalagyan daw. Oh, ni-rape siya. Ito yung na-rape, si Jimmy. Ah, shit. Alam ko to eh. 739? Ba sinabi ko to kanina? 793. Ah! Utak! Next level pang next minute ang aking utak. Kanina ko pa to nakita mga 5 minutes ago.
Take gun.
Ah, kasi alam ni Curly. So natawa na lang siya. Tayo na may levels to ah. Oh, apat. Jimmy! Oh shit! Oh, okay. Kala ko labanan na eh. So okay, so maglalaban kami ni Swansea. Okay. Lagi ka lang nakaluhod. Dapat sa akin ka lang lumuhod. Kesa kay Jimmy. I told him.
Anya, you should have waited for me. What did he say?
Nothing that makes any difference.
Did he seem angry? Where did he go?
He just walked away.
Curly, I don't want him anywhere.
I don't want anything about.
Hold on, fuck! I didn't find him.
Everything's gone me away.
Wala akong panlaban, wala isang scanner. Ano yun? Okay.
Okay ka lang, boy? Wala yan, masarap maging tatay. Jim, I can fix this. What do you think will happen when we get back? We can figure all this out. You and me. 99? All I ever hear is how great of a leader you are. God, it's so annoying. But now, mukha nga siya sa mga nandra-rape na nahentay. What do you think will happen now when we get back? We'll fix this together. None of it will matter. You've got through the difficult situations before. This time will be any different. This time will be any... Okay. It's not just me, is it? You were supposed to be the one who had everything under control. The ship... Ha? Nang R-word K. Ano gusto mong gawin ko? This was your response. Ha? Ano gawin ko? Ako dapat magpatira sa'yo? That is what you'll be hearing for the rest of... Or this can all be remembered as a tragedy. Despite what must have been the best efforts, acclaimed captain. The Tulpar crew was never... Kupal talaga to no? No one survived to tell the take responsibility. Ah, ito yung tsura ni si ano. You're standing at the top. Feet in cement. I get it now. Oh! Nakalikan ba ako ni JB? Okay ka lang. 90% take care? Sabihin nun, I'll take care of it. Si Jimmy ang... Ano yung para may bas-bas ni ano? Ni Curly? Bobo ka. Jim, tell me you didn't. I should have. I didn't. What the fuck did you do? Bobo mo. Bruh. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Hindi kala ko binigyan ko ng bas-bas eh. Puta, dala-dala ko. Carly! Carly! Kaya pala natakatawa siya. Ano, nauntog siya eh. Bonk. Pinto. Gusto ko yung lahat sila meron tayong story kada karakter. Okay. Ah, that's fucked up, man. Lalagay ko ba siya dito? Puta. Okay, nabaliw na si Jimmy. Oh, tera, happy birthday. Ah, nabaril ko si ano. Sana meron man lang laban namin ni Swansea. Gusto ko sana may pagbarilan. Here. Captain Jimbo. Aw. Come on, you have to give a speech. Go on, have it. You better make it. Ayoko na mag-dub. Our captain, Captain Jimmy. Bruh. Get the job done. Hindi ba tusok sa sarili ko na lang? Bro, man. What? Ah, nagagalaw ka siya ng mouse. Bruh. Jimmy! Ayop ka, Jimmy! Tamo ka talaga, Jimmy! Bruh. Sana pinatay mo na lang si Curly. That wasn't enough, right, Captain? The lowest rung of your ladder is our highest. That is all swept from under your feet. Life isn't even worth living at the same level as us. But I forgive you. All of us do. I won't give up on you, even like this. I believe in Dutch boy and Agago. We're going to make it through this. Sometimes we travel the endless reaches of space. But other times, we just have to accept days like these. You taught me that, Curly. Let's eat. Let's survive. Take responsibility. So, mangyari, dapat ako ang so, sa medical pala. Wait lang. Susi sa utility ito. Huh? Nakalagay. Where the fuck are my keys? Who's can do, we can do. Oh, nasa vents na. Ito yung nangyari kay Daisuke. Nakita ko ba yung monster? Meron ba talagang monster? Meron pa baba? Ito. What? May nanonood? Sino yun? Si Daisuke ba yun? Sabi merong tinatago si Daisuke na kabaliwan. Yan. No turning back now. Okay. Well, I'm turning my back. Okay, wag na. Ay, may mukha. No turning back now. Okay. Okay, so wag natin. Okay, so dapat pa ganun tayo. Okay, so lahat na sa ilaw, kailangan nakatalikod tayo. Wow, parang performance art lang okay. Kasi there's no turning back. Ito. No. Fuck, bobo, ano yun? Wait lang. Shit. Responsibility. No. Oh. Nakalis na sa genjutsu niya. Dilim. Oh! Gago. Nakabaliktad. Ano yan, puwet? What the? Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Yeah! Ang tumbong. Posporo ba yan? Red flags! Red flags. The axe. Ibig sabihin ito. Ang saya-saya pumasok sa butas. Ito yung pinagdaanan ko kanina. Dadaan ba? May manggugulat ba? Sabi ito tayo sa may ilaw, no? Putang ina. Okay. Nakalaki kay Daisuke ito eh. Pula din eh. Daisuke? Ano ba yun? Yung flower? Hope? Ay! May dumaan ba? Ano yung pumatay? Ano yung dumalikit? Nalaglag ba ako? Ay. What? Ha? Ibaril. Mga idol. Magnum. Let's go! Ito yung gusto ko sana laban kanina eh. Sa bayag. Sa utong. Saan mo gusto? Saan mo gusto? Sa bayag ka! Sa bayag! Bruh. Sobrang lakas ng putok ng bayag din. Tumalsik ako sa sementeryo. Okay. Okay, sana naman. Gusto ko ng action. Gusto ko bumaril. Okay, so mayroon palang mayroong limit. Yan. Binisita ko ba yung sarili? Okay. Si Jim ito siguro. Puta, nalalabanan ko ba yung bultong Jim? Puta! Ano yun? Barilin ko to. Sino man to? Gago. Narinig ko siya. Para siyang kaliskis ng ipis. Putang ina ko. Hindi ako makatakbo. Ba't ganito ang bagal ko? Nagbabalo ako. Oy! Putang, umiiwas ka pang hayop ka. Sige. Ay! Bruh. Ba't marunong siya umiiwas? Ba't hindi siya parang bronze? Tumandan si Lolo eh. Ay! Bruh. Ha? Bruh. Ano ka? Sakit no? Sakit sa batok ha? Bruh. Saka? Sige, labas boy. Oh. Sige boy. Shit! Di siya instant. Lumang baril. Ang tanda mo na, bilis mo pa rin tumakbo. Oh boy! Sakit sa mukha? Sakit sa mukha? Ay, ayoko sa corner boy.
Pag na-side scroll lang kita. Asan siya? Hindi ko makita. Hindi kasi ako pwede umano agad eh. Kailangan ko muna i-aim bago ko itira eh. Medyo. Ang bobo ko. Pao, tandaan mo, kailangan mo yung hold, okay? Bobo yung barrel, okay? Hindi siya instant. Tina-turn pa yung buong... Okay, natatakot siya pag nag-miss ako. Sige. Dito. Yeah, dito maganda. Sige, dito tayo. Okay, labas. Ayun, okay. So, 3 times nga. Okay. At least binigyan ako ng ano. Gusto ko nga talaga nun. I have something to say. So shut the fuck up and listen. Ay, wow. Ito may backstory, ah. I spent 13 years half cut up to my eyeballs. Drunk, to put it mildly. Then suddenly I saw it. A street light shining in my face. 500 gigawatts of power of God? A vision my bloated body found in some ditch. Scared me straight. So I got a collar shirt mortgage and a credit card. All the things that make a good man. I hope I could raise my chin to be better than your old man. I wanted to believe I was never one setback away from my worst self. But the truth is, discipline, drive, routine. The endless fucking desperation to get shit done. A loving wife, great kids, sobriety. I'm telling you, accomplishments I've been chasing all my life. Never felt as good as I expected when I crossed the finish line. Nawalan siya ng purpose na nakuha niya. Di naman healthy yun, no? So now that we're at the end, taking inventory. Sorry. Spear of my head sinking onto the sofa. Broken glass in my palms, bleeding dry, the funniest thing ever. All dogs laughing and snarling on the waterbed floor, mocking the moon for daring to show its face. All nausea and wreckage and vomit and utter cruelty. The only problem in the world, an empty bottle. Those were the best days of my life. Yeah, those were the best days of my life. I got nothing to hide, ready to face the music. I can see myself for what I am. But you, kay Jimmy nga pala to, a cowardly, selfish motherfucker, and you can't even see it. I should have been able to protect the kid. If I could have done one thing right, I wish it had been to give him one small chance off this goddamn rock. Swansea, I'm going to fix everything. We're going to make it. Fuck you. Ba't nabaliw na si Jimmy? Rest in peace. Sa titi ko siya tinira, do. Hindi ko makakalimutan yan. Empty. Yun din yung feeling nung ano. Ganda naman, di ko inakalagay ito kalalim yung storyline na to. Kaya pa tinatag nyo. Tag nyo pa ako sa ibang mga horror games. So, pupunta tayo sa cockpit. Ito. Oh, ayun. Ito yung feeling ko pag nag-record sa YouTube. Dami nakatingin. Mga naninilip. Nakakakati ng leeg. Kadiri. Kanino ba ito? Ba't ba ito ni Curly? Ano bang metaphor nito? Baka wala talagang monster. Baka meaning lang yung metaphor ng trabaho kaya yung kabayo. Kasi parang yung mga monsters dito kami. Kami yung mga unhinged eh. Nasaan ako? Yuck. POV, isa kang daliri at first time. Ano yan? Ang lalim naman ito! Hello! Hello? What the... Tae POV. Okay. Wala na yung mata ni Curly. Wow. Ano ba yun? Ano yan? Ba't kaya nyo... Binuhay ko pa si ano? Hindi, wala na. Pupunta kaya pala parang bumabayo eh.
Tis old Mother Goose's birthday. We're giving her a party. A party.
A party for Mother Goose.
Baker man, he served the cake. It was a sight to see.
Tangina naman. Si Curly nga pala. Kakainin ko ba?
Kaya ba mouthwash? Okay, may cannibalism pala to. Gusto ko na steak. Ito ba masarap na steak? Basta medium rare. Ay po. Ay. Someday he'll thank me. Use Curly's leg. Ay. Salis pala dapat po na ako. Hello. So, paligyan kita ng leg. I need to get closer. Gano'n ka close? Utan. Lalo ko yung sarili ko laway. Buhay pa siya! Curly! Para sa'yo to, Curly. Parang reference to sa ano ah. Sa Cannibal. Yung sheep ba yun? Alam mo name ng movie na yun? Pinakain siya ng sarili niya. Ah, empty na. Okay, kinain na niya sarili niya. Ah, ano yun? Eto. Take Curly's leg. Someday you'll thank me. Tayo Silence of the Lambs. Tama ka, spiteful. Ah, okay. Sinuka niya. So pinapakain ko ulit. Gago, parang torture. Ayun o, ayun o. Sa chan. Sa chan. Ah, sinuka niya ulit. Kailangan ko ata ng panulak. Kailangan ko ng panulak. Curly, sige na. Subo mo na. Kulit mo naman eh. Magpapasalamat ka sa akin. Huwag kang magalala. Yan, okay? Dito. 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 Curly, pahirapan tayo eh. Ilang beses ka ba susuka? So weird. Ilang beses ba, Curly? Lunukin mo na. Ah, ito. Ah, ano pala to? Puzzle? Di rin. Wait lang, kailangan mo na malaman sa ng daan. Ito, Curly. Huwag kang masaktan, Curly ha. Huwag kang masasaktan. Madali lang to. Huwag kang masasaktan. So, dapat... Pwede ko ba siya ilagay habang nangyayari? Kailangan nakaset na. So, dito. Dito pa lang. Okay, sa pababa. Sige. So, pababa. So, dito. Tapos, i-deliver ko dito. So, tapos bababa ka. Ah, hindi na pwede. So, nakaset na. Okay. Hindi eh. Pag ganun eh. Labo naman. Pagbasa ka comments, ayoko magbasa. Mag-iintindihan ko to. Ganun. Okay. Kaya pala. So pag ganun. Okay, from top right, bottom right. Kung ito. Dito sa baba. Saan to labas dito? Yes. Ah, shit, baliktad. Okay na yung last. So ito na lang gagalawin ko. Nakakakain ka na, Curly! Para sa'yo to, Curly! Let's go! Naiihina ako, Curly! Yeah, boy! Nakakain na si Curly. Gutom na si baby. Ay! Busog! Yeah! Patayin na niya yan. Help me. Oh! Si Jimmy? Jimmy! Oh! Ako yun! Resident Evil POB. Eat well, Curly. Kinakabahan ako, Curly. Angas. Curly. Kinakabahan ako, Curly. Curly, wait lang. Ayoko na, Curly. Pagod na ako. Puta, iba't ibang angle. Parang mga... Ito yung feeling mo lagi pag late ka pumasok eh. Para lahat kala mo nakatingin sa'yo. Hindi. Wala nakakakita sa'yo. Wow. Si ano pala to, si Ghost Rider? Putay. I want to go home. We are home. Why don't you finish what you started? Don't worry if anyone ever finds us. I'll still be playing the villain. You'll be been a better man in the end, like you wanted. I could have stopped it. I'm taking responsibility. Ayun, napalood siya sa taong walang kamay at paa. No, we can both be heroes. We're a team, just you and me. Ngayon ka pa magkaka-backstory? Ngayon ka pa magkakaroon ng ganyan? Like we used to. Kailan kupal ka? What happened was an accident. We were trapped. I made a mistake, alright? I'm sorry, I'm so bad. Dahil mo na mistake, nakabuntis ka na. Nang R-word ka pa. Pati mo madadala ng iyak mo yung ginawa mo. Oh. Infinite void ng kahirapan. Ano ba? Nasa vent na naman ako. Para akong gagamba. Pucha. Namiss ko na siya. Kailangan ko na siyang tawagan. Oh. Hello? Ay, ito ba yung anak? Oh. Wait. Kailangan ko lumapit. Napaigo ko yung ano eh. Yung diarrhea mo. What? Di ko nakita. Ano yun? May kinakanaba. The fuck? Ano yan? Bakit ganyan? Kabayo? Ay, mata ba yan? Oh shit, nagiging bata na siya. Oh my god, bata nga! What in the Konami is this? Okay na. Ano next? Oo nga. Tama nga. Ay, gago! Yun nga talaga yung metaphor niya. All clean. I hope really gets rid of that bad taste in your mouth, huh? I hope this. Though, through wreckage, I hope this hurts. Through silence, I hope this hurts. Wash it away, I hope this hurts. All day fire fresh, I hope this hurts. POV daw to ni Anya. DNA. Ay! Susundang. Dapat sundan mo siya. Okay, huwag natin sundan. Oh, okay. Okay. Saan ang daan? Ano makakaalis dito? Kailangan sirayan niya, diba? Okay, nice. Ayun. Okay. So ito yung last. Isa pang ano. So gagalaw to. Hayop na to. Para siyang alien na ewan. Munggo ka na ako ba makalis? Hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta eh. Ano ko malalaman kung huwag ko lang siya tignan, makakaalis ako dito. Huwag tayo. Lalayo tayo. Pinakita natin ang bata. Layo. Layo sa yagit na yan. Metaphor to, parang tinatakbo ko yung anak ko. Oh boy. Oh boy. Diop boy. Pangit na. Straight yung atake niya. Isang straight. Oh shit. Ano din natin? No shit, patay. Sabi ko na. Okay. Puta, kala ko naman. Tinry ko pang iwasan. Oh my god, katinam. Ano na naman? Ay, mga cards. Wow! Domain expansion. Credit cards. Aming loto. Whee! Kala ko mababaw na itong laron to. Pag-isipan Ay, nalalaglag yung mga isopropyl. Ay! Bruh. Ano to? Okay. Nice. Paolul. Master, tawagin mo ako.
Pony Express is dead. And so are you. Ano sabihin siya nagpakana ng lahat na to? Too real. Isa lang naman gusto ko. Sorry. Sige lang, kaya ko na pagbigyan lahat ng ginawa mo sa amin. Curly tried his best. I did, but he's the better man. I see that now. We can both still make... Huh? Ano nangyari yun? Hindi mo yan kaya, boy. Captain, I'm so sorry. Yes. I do. I fucked up. But I can still make this right. Our worst moments don't make us. Wait a minute. Di ba patay na siya? Ito na nga. The judgment. So napigilan ko sarili ko. Patay lahat. Si Daisuke. Okay. Saan tayo punta? Natawanan ba niya? Dapat sa cockpit kami eh. Kasi doon kami nag-start, diba? Basta nandiyan yung hininga mo, Curly. Nakayanin ko. Kahit humihinga ka na sa bibig mo. Curly, ang dilim. Go home. Go home, hindi ko ka makita ilaw. Kasi na, hindi ko nakuha ang mga gusto mo para sa atin. Huwag mo sabihin si Curly ay isa-save niya. Pero wag na si Curly, wala na rin eh. Okay. It's okay, Curly. We're going. Pre, PWD na yan pag uwi niyan sa atin. You always had my back and everything even though I was trying to save us. But now you'll survive. It's like you said together. You can fix anything. I'm just proud I got to be your friend and co-pilot captain. No one can hurt you now. We fix it. Huwag mo sabihin sasabog ako. I fixed. Hindi. Di ba dapat kupal si Jimmy? Jimmy, bobo ka! Wait. Ano to? Buhay ba ako? Anong gagawin nito? Ay gago sana pinatay mo na lang ako. Finish mouthwashing. Tayo na, yung sino pa yung suman ilalagay mo sa rep. Anong gagawin yan dyan? Kinain kasi siya ng guilt niya eh. Pero bobo ni Jimmy doon. Sige, sabihin natin. Sabihin natin na may makabalik dito at ma-unfreeze ako. Paglabas ko, suman ako eh. Huwag story mamatay eh. Bobo mo, Jimmy. Hanggang sa huling segundo, Jimmy, bobo ka. Kupal si Jimmy hanggang huling segundo niya. Okay. Ang ganda naman. Na-appreciate ko yung game. Ganda. Na-torture na sa buong story. Na-torture pa din sa uli. Too real. Napakaganda nito. Try ulit natin hopefully sa Friday or sa iba pa mga days. Gusto ko muna matry mag-live kasi sabi ko una. Try ko ulit muna mag-flex ng live streaming muscles. Thank you for playing. Thank you sa kabubuan mo, Jimmy. Hindi kita malilimutan. Mga J talaga! Doon tatapos. Okay naman. Next time, comment pa kayo next time ng ating mga gusto nyo laruin. So yun, maraming salamat mga cancel sa pagsama nyo dito. Good night. Sa susunod ulit. Paolul na mabaalam.